Hi there, our part 11 deals with dialogues. We create dialog boxes using a vCard and then we also show a snack bar. We have created a confirm dialog with dynamic content and dynamic buttons. The additional dialog is an alert that you can show. We have created a dialog view with a grid and some buttons. Clicking each button brings up the dialog. Each button has an icon inside it. We set the attributes so that the button is a fab button. We create each of these buttons, so that we can add them on the container. For the confirm and alert dialogs, we created a vCard. The vCard has a vCard title, a vCard text and vCard actions. We also add a divider, a spacer, and 2 buttons for OK and cancel. We assign a vModel that will be used to show or hide the dialog. We have created the card such that the title, text, OK button, and cancel button texts are dynamic and are updatable at runtime. When each of the buttons on the grid is clicked, we show a dialog or an alert with dynamic content. Let's go and see how we created this in the library. The Vuetify app class is the app instance. It has 2 methods to show the dialog and snack bars. This has methods to update states to build the dialog using state management. With that we are able to hide and show the dialog on demand. This covers part 11 of the tutorial.